I'm Lonnie Horn. I'm your barber broker. I'm a barber. I'm a real estate professional. And you know what? One thing that I learned behind the chair that makes you a true leader, a true pillar in your community, is to give, to serve, to care, to love. Like care, and I mean outside of yourself. We're in the service industry. If you strive to serve every time somebody even considers coming to you, that right there will make lifetime connections that can open up to anything. I'm here because of barbering. I'm standing in this house right now doing real estate business because of barbering. All of that came through relationships. And the relationships came through me serving, through me caring, through me giving, through me loving. Those are the principles, those are the things that have helped me in this barbering industry, in this barber world, and then ultimately in this world, man. So I want to say shout out to my guy, Vincent at Ray's Barbershop, man. Much love, man, for always spreading love the way it's supposed to look in this game, man. We ain't gonna stop. Nah, we ain't gonna stop, y'all. Shout out again to the Dr. Barber family experience, man. Let's go. Right, y'all, this is where it all started. I'm talking about relationships, knowledge, exposure. It all happened right here in the barbershop. When I picked up clippers at 9 years old, who would have ever thought it would have led to all of this? This is not only where we cut hair, man. This is where we change lives. Matter of fact, this is where my life changed. Barbering opened up those relationships for me. It opened up those doors. Actually, barbering is what brought me into real estate. The cool part is I didn't realize the people in these chairs were going to become not only my haircutting clients, they became my real estate clients. So I helped so many people buy and sell homes, or even just advise them on things to do. And I decided I want to see more people behind the chair also get into those homes. So my new mission for barbers has become to help barbers and encourage them to become barber investors. Literally work their asses off. Use that beginning momentum you get when you first get into the shop. Cut, build, learn business, learn leadership, learn how to build a clientele and get the kind of money you've never seen before. But before you lose that momentum, take portions of it, fix your credit up, buy houses, buy in crypto, buy in stocks, or investing into other businesses that you're interested in investing in. That has become my new mission for this. Not only helping people in the chairs, but helping those people behind the chair become barber investors. One of the biggest things is understanding there's no difference between me and you. The only difference is I took the step to do it. And now I'm here to help you take the step to do the same thing or whatever else it is that you want to do.